As I walked out along the road, I saw my brother with a heavy load. Says to him, what have you seen? Says to me, I have a dream. In 1960 I thought I died, Sharpeville's bloody town. But I got up, I walked on tall, nobody's gonna put me down. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves. As I walked out along the way, I saw my sister bend and pray. Says to her, why do you kneel? She says, you don't know how I feel. I had a little girl, a little boy, loved to watch them grow. But they were butchered on the streets, and the blood is all we told. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves. Oh, it's 85, I'm walking still past the Utenhaga Hill. Saw a crowd set off at the dawn of day. Soldiers said, don't come this way. Then somebody threw a stone as they moved up the track. A boy on a bike was the first to fall with a bullet in his back. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves. It's been a long, long, hard road, 300 years since settlers strode into that southern land. They ruled with an iron hand. Low pay, no vote, detention laws, don't talk back, they'd say. But the hawks and eagles will fly like doves when peace returns today. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves. Hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves, hawks and eagles fly like doves.
Child on the green, what's that you do? I'm turning daisies to chains, and Mom, they're for you. But Mom, I'm just playing, so why do you cry? My flowers are saying, I'm glad you came by.
Child, as you grow, questions will flow. The more that you ask, the more you shall know. But ask of emotion, it's useless to try finding its reason by asking me why. Child, you are late. Where have you been? Your dinner is burned and your clothes are unclean. I wasn't surprised to find she was wild, but puzzled some when she suddenly smiled. Child, as you grow, questions will flow. The more that you ask, the more you shall know. But ask of emotion, it's useless to try, finding its reason by asking me why.
Child, you are lost. Sometimes we act strange, but you must understand we can suddenly change, and it's just human nature. And when you are grown, you'll sometimes seem strange to a child of your own.
She spoke and I listened, then went off to bed. But I always remembered the words she had said. It's been 20 years, I've a son on my knee. I've just told my mum what my son said to me. Child, as you grow, questions will flow. The more that you ask, the more you shall know. But ask of emotion, it's useless to try, finding its reason by asking